Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're retackling a goal that sounds simple, but can be a real game changer for your finances. Saving an extra $100 every single month. That's $1,200 a year. Think about what you could do with that. Pay off debt, build an emergency fund, or invest in your future. It's totally achievable, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step. First things first, let's talk about your subscriptions. Go through your bank or credit card statements and look at all those recurring charges. That streaming service you haven't watched in months, that gym membership you forgot about, that app trial that turned into a monthly fee. Be ruthless. Canceling just 2 or 3 of these could easily free up $20 to $30. It's the lowest hanging fruit and the easiest win to start with. Next up, your daily coffee and lunch habits. I know, that morning latte is a ritual, but let's do the math. A $5 coffee every workday is $100 a month right there. I'm not saying you have to give it up completely, but what if you made coffee at home just 3 days a week? Do that twice a week, and you've easily found another $50 to $60. Finally, let's gamify it with the no-spend challenge. Pick 1 or 2 days a week where you commit to not spending any money at all. No impulse buys, no snacks, nothing. This simple habit forces you to be more mindful of your spending and can save you a surprising amount of cash over the month. Combine these 3 simple strategies: cutting subscriptions, adjusting your food and drink habits, and having no spend days, and hitting that $100 savings goal will be a piece of cake. You've got this. Thanks so much for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple finance tips. See you in the next one.